Welcome back, everyone. Today we have one of the most technologically advanced members of the Vortec Gen 4 small block engine family. This is the 6.2-liter GM L94. Now, the L94 was originally developed by General Motors Corporation for use in their luxury SUVs such as the Yukon and the Escalade. The L94 shown here today is specifically for the model years 2010 to 2014. The 6.2-liter L94 is the most powerful of the Vortec V8 engines. This engine is actually known for its exceptional refinement and ability to deliver great strength. It offers features such as cam-in block VVT or variable valve timing and AFM, which is active fuel management technology. Now, this technology allows the engine to be able to shut down 4 of its cylinders or deactivate them under light load conditions and reactivate them when the driver requires more power. We do get a lot of questions relating to AFM and DoD delete. DoD delete is not something that we offer with these engines, but it should be noted we do make enough upgrades that we render it as useless as the objects in these photos. Your Powertrain product 6.2-liter L94 will come to you as a long block, and it will include hyper-eutectic side-coated pistons to give you a longer cylinder bore life. It'll have a heavy-duty timing set developed expressly for quieter operations. It will have your Viton valve seals and high-volume oil pump, as well as upgraded head gaskets over OEM design, and we do also make lifter corrections. We will back this engine with our 5-year Powertrain promise, but I do want to tell you we are experiencing some build times on these engines, so to get your super awesome L94, I do suggest calling your drivetrain genius today.